Hey you, happy Monday. I'm sharing with you some snippets of our Upper West Side apartment. We moved in about 2.5 years ago and we are settling in nicely. As you know, I love color, but we did some things differently here. I always have fresh flowers when I can, but because of the natural light, I'm also able to have fresh herbs and potted plants. I keep a little cutting garden by the window for cooking, and I have orchids and ferns, and look at these pretty little succulents. But we kept the apartment white, which is something I have never done before. But the architecture and the bevy of all the windows when you first walk in really spoke to me. I didn't even have treatments at first. I had those scrims, but then later I added these Greek key trimmed valances just all the way up to the ceiling, just to frame out the window a little bit. We have, I think, 5 windows in that room, so it's a nice little backdrop. And I work from home, so I took an antique desk that I used as a writing desk and I use it as my office desk now. And then on the weekends, if we're entertaining or we have family over for dinner, we can use it as a buffet table because it's a pretty piece of furniture. And something else I've been challenged with is I usually do full rooms of wallpaper. I've never really loved accent walls, but here it worked. We have the dining room all the way at the end of the apartment, and I framed out this wall with our chain lantern wallpaper. And I need to squeeze in my bar cart. I just had to have it because we love to have little cocktails like Mad Men. So it's right there by the kitchen. Have